Hey, I'm Vitaly, just another Devops engineer, but with a few scars, a lot of stories and hopefully some useful insights. This is the intro video to my Devops course. It's practical, no fluff, and built to help you actually get started, not just get confused. So yeah, you've decided to dive into DevOps, cloud stuff, pipelines, automation. Sounds cool, right? Maybe you've heard of Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, CI/CD, or maybe someone told you, hey, DevOps is in demand, the pay is good, go for it. Whatever brought you here, I'm glad you showed up. I made this course because honestly DevOps can feel like a mess at first. Too many tools, too many opinions, too many guides that assumes you already know everything. This course is different. It's clear, it's simple, it's practical. I want you to feel like you know what you're doing, one step at a time. Now, why listen to me? Well, I've been doing this stuff for over 15 years. Worked as a senior DevOps, DevOps lead, even head of infrastructure, mostly in European tech companies. But yeah, I am here not to brag. All it really means is I've broken a lot of things, fixed even more, and learned how to make system work smoothly. So if I can help you skip some of that pain, that's a win. Alright, what's this course really about? If you're new to DevOps and not sure where to start, this is for you. We are going from simple to complex. You don't need a computer science degree. Just a little curiosity and a willingness to try stuff. Now, quick note, we are not diving deep into Linux internals or networking theory. That stuff's important, sure, but it's not needed for day one. We are staying practical here. Let's rewind for a sec. Where did DevOps even came from? Back in the day, developers wrote code. Operations ran servers. Dev teams wanted speed. Ops teams wanted stability. It didn't always go well. DevOps came in to bring those two worlds together. Less finger pointing, more automation, better collaboration. So, if I had to sum up, DevOps in just 3 words. Automation. If you do it twice, script it. Observability. If it breaks, you wanna know why and fast. Containerization. Make things run in the same way everywhere. Simple, powerful, repeatable. Quick heads up. What we are not doing here. We are not compiling kernels. We are not writing firewall rules from scratch. If that's your jam, awesome, but it's not this course. And just so you know, DevOps means different things in different places. In big tech, like FAANG, they may not even have a DevOps role. It's all just engineer, doing infra, testing, deploying. Sometimes they even ask you to solve algorithm puzzles in interviews. That's not the world we are aiming for here. We are talking about real-world DevOps. Setting up servers, managing cloud resources, building CI/CD pipelines, running containers, the actual work. Oh, and about your operating system. If you're using Linux or macOS, perfect. If you're on Windows, yeah, VSL or VM can work, but trust me, life's just easier with a Unix-style shell. So what's next? We'll start simple. Terminal, basics, SSH, some scripting. Then move on to containers, infrastructure as code, cloud stuff and monitoring. It's all hands-on, no lectures, no fluff. You don't need to know anything yet. Just follow along and try things out. Alright, let's get started.